How to fill your low-profile drinking water bladder, BLP series. 2 fittings are on the top panel, a breather and a combined inlet-outlet. Wrap Teflon tape around the thread before installing the elbow fitting. Connect a hose to a tap, or use a pump to fill the bladder from a creek or other water source. Don't forget to open the breather cap to prevent overfilling and pressure buildup. When you see water coming out of the breather, the bladder is full. Stop filling, close the breather cap, and turn off the tap. As you can see, its design keeps it stable on the floor. But for longer journeys, make sure to secure the bladder with tie-downs for safety. Now your low-profile drinking water bladder is ready to go.